There's a little update. Making these like little furniture things. This is a love seat. There's chairs and rocking horses and stuff. Pretty cool. So I do a little update. Make these castings up from scratch. So I'll do a little video of what the stuff ends up being. Alrighty. So here's a little love seat that it makes. You got a rocking chair and pretty cool, man. Little one-of-a-kind collectible love seat. Pretty cool, huh? I've been working on the DXF files and writing the program and stuff. I had to fix a couple of things on it, but pretty cool. Might be fork in the way. But yeah, I just had to move this down a little bit so that the seat sits a little better, and then make this overall length longer so it fit inside of the two notches here. I think they got the DXFs right now, so. Alrighty. That's a little update. I'll show you that. Show you those rocking chairs and other stuff. Sorry about all the darkness and stuff, but yeah. So here's a little chair that I made. Same layout as this, except for it's a lot shorter. And I'm going to make this into a rocking chair too. So I have different kinds. There's a little chair. It's pretty cool. Chair. Of course, the rocking love seat. And then I got one that's a rocking chair. Rocks pretty good for a little rocking chair. And I'm going to put this on the bottom of this one, so I'll have a love seat that's right, and I did all the engraving all over this one, all over the seat, the sides. Pretty cool. I got that as a separate program, and then I got this one plain too. And then I got, this is the very first one that I built. That was the very first try. So, and I made that one with the engraving. So this one's all plain. It doesn't have any engraving and stuff on it. So that one I just give to my daughter. And here's a little rocking horse. Pretty cool. I got my material moved right here and did a big old cut in its neck. But I got the next program that's going to have an eye in here, and this won't be here. But this one turned out pretty cool. Good for the kids to manage. She plays with her dollies and puts her little toys and stuff on there. Yeah, so kind of just messing around and stuff. But I'm going to make a rocking chair out of this one, and this one I got some other stuff I want to do. So, yep, there's an update. Alright, everybody. See you later.